It's no secret that the reign of the Air Force's MQ-1 Predator drone is slowly coming to an end. So crews with the 46th Expeditionary Reconnaissance and Attack Squadron have been overlapping their launch and recovery missions with the MQ-9 Reaper as the larger, more lethal drone comes into its own. It's in the process, Air Force-wide. We're just going to continue to see less MQ-1 lines and more MQ-9, said LT. Col. Jason, commander of the 46th ERAs, inside an MQ-1 hangar. Spoke with the commander and a pilot with the squadron, part of the 386th Air Expeditionary Wing, on a recent trip to the Middle East, on the condition that last names not be used due to safety concerns amid ongoing air operations against the Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, or ISIS. The airmen, on call for the MQ-1 mission 24/7, said moving to the MQ-9, also stationed at the base, will require a few tweaks, but the launch and recovery process should be the same. The transition from the Predator to the Reaper slated to be complete in 2018 will be widespread, given the 386th AEW isn't the only base in the Middle East housing the older aircraft. We're one of several MQ-1 missions out here, Jason said, without disclosing how many unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are operating in the theater. The 46th facilitates only launch and recovery, base officials emphasized. Any strike operations manifested in the air are controlled by airmen at Creech Air Force Base, Nevada. MQ-9, easier mission? An all MQ-9 mission may make life easier and more efficient for crews downrange. Currently, more MQ-9 hangars are being built at the 386th, as military comm witnessed. But officials at the base said they might miss the flexibility of having two platforms at their disposal. It increases the options that we have, Jason explained. If we were only an MQ-9 base, and the weather was really bad, and there's MQ-1s that are airborne, we may not be able to receive them if we didn't have qualified MQ-1 crews here. The Predator, its own airplane. The MQ-1 has proved itself as a strike and surveillance platform, flying an average of 20 hours per mission, Jason said, especially early in the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan. It's been in service for more than 20 years. Describing the checkpoint procedures crews take before they launch the craft, Jason said no MQ-1 is like any other. Each airplane is its own airplane, it has a slightly different weight, a slightly different fuel load, he said. That includes how many AGM-114 Hellfires will be loaded onto the MQ-1 before it takes off. The drone can carry 2.